Okay guys, so today we're gonna learn how to install a gasket. This is a fairly simple installation of a snap-on gasket. So we have the old gasket here, and what we want to do is to pull it out from the upper corner and making sure you take the dart out and then protect the retainer and follow your fingers all the way around and simply take the gasket off. Likewise, make sure nothing remains inside the retainer, any cracks from the previous old gasket. And now the goal is to take the dowel here and insert it into the retainer around. I always start with the upper corners, making sure everything is in place, and then I follow my fingers to lead me all the way around, and in a matter of seconds we're gonna have a gasket installed here. Very easy, very simple. If you are not sure which one you need, you can always call us, text us, and we're gonna help you find the right gasket for you. No matter if this is a snap-on gasket or screwed-on gasket, we carry them all and manufacture them all. And that's it. Thank you, see you later.